is among a gang of criminals who fly between Ghana and Nigeria, bringing unsuspected young girls aged between 13 and 18 years. After they are brought to Ghana, not even his own black sister among 10 young girls that were brought from Nigeria to Ghana, and they were paying him 300 per day.
I don't know why this set of Nigerians don't want to let Ghanaians to have their peace. Seriously. Another news don't come again, guys. This time around, now one Nigerian guy, oh, guys, you won't believe what this guy did. The Achimota Circuit Court, presided over by Her Honor Mrs. Akosia Anokewa Ajiapong, has sentenced a notorious human trafficker, Chukwudi Unwachukwu, and Nigerian nationals to 10 years imprisonment with hard labor for trafficking 10 young women from Nigeria to Ghana and forcing them into prostitution. The court also ordered him to pay 15,000 in compensation to each of the victims aged between 15 to 18 years old. Guys, this is the news that got to us this evening, and I decided to bring it on here so you guys will know what is happening in Accra. We don't joke when it comes to things like this. Yes, Ghanaian government don't joke. When you try to mess up with their laws, they make sure they, handle you the right way. If you don't want to be a victim of all these kind of things, then you should avoid getting into trouble, especially when you come into Ghana. Guys, let's hear from the news, and definitely I will be back.
I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the Ghanaian criminal justice system. This accused person or the convict is among a gang of criminals who fly between Ghana and Nigeria, bringing unsuspected young girls aged between 13 and 18 years. After they are brought to Ghana, they take them to deities for them to swear when they have already shaved their pubic hair and the other parts, so that they will not be able to escape us. Not even his own black sister among 10 young girls that were brought from Nigeria to Ghana, and they were paying him 300 per day.
So guys, this is what happened today in Accra. He was being sentenced into prison for, he's been sentenced for 15 years imprisonment with hard labor. I'm super excited seeing such news, because people know and hear what, especially our fellow Nigerians. When you enter people's country, behave like them. Yes, it's not going to take anything out of your blood if you try to follow the law of the country now. As long as disrespect your owner, so you want to do for another country. No. So let's hear from Chief Cletus Alozipowa, a member of Nigerian in Diaspora Organization NINDO and Director Anti-Human Trafficking Unit of the Ghana Police Service CRD headquarters, have issued a stern warning to Nigerians. Has issued a stern warning to Nigerians nationals living in Ghana to desist from engaging in criminal acts after the court handed 10 years imprisonment terms to Chukwudi Unwachukwu. Guys, let's hear from Chief Cletus Alozipowa.
Today is a sad news for Nigeria, because this is not what Nigeria wants to do. This is not what we want to see for our citizens. But it's also a good day for justice for those victims. And it's also another good day for Nigerians to learn that Ghana is not a fertile ground for crime. That if you are Nigerian and you are in Ghana, you are committing any crime, the law will get you. And when the law gets you, we, the Nigerians, will be part of the prosecution, because in this particular case, we are part of the prosecution to make sure justice and the law takes its place.
Or this particular gentleman who have been convicted, not even his own black sister among 10 young girls that were brought from Nigeria to Ghana, and they were paying him 300 per day. He has an exercise book. He was writing how much they are being paid, and really saying this is a crime against humanity, which should not be countenance.
So in my previous video, the video I reacted to today, that huge number of Nigerians troop into Ghana, and they were seen at Aflao border, allegedly going to the fake Igbo King Palace. Okay, this is exactly what I said, and I'm going to repeat myself again right now. You bring in huge number of Nigerians to Ghana, people you are not really sure of their character, because human being change. As you all know, change is constant. You no go fit chop onion on top another person matter. The problem is not you bringing your family members and their friends to Ghana, but the problem is, how are you sure they will be on their best behavior when they are in Ghana? How are you sure they are going to go by the law of the land? How are you sure? If you are sure, like very sure about yourself, you cannot be sure about another person, because just like I said, change is constant. And this is what is bringing all the problems that we are going through in Ghana as I'm talking to you right now. When they find, like, if they catch criminals, like 5 criminals, if one is Ghanaian, the remaining 4 are Nigerian nationals. So what can you guys say about it? So Ghanaians came up and, okay, they saw that talking about it on social media would let other Nigerians, know about what their brothers and sisters are doing here in Ghana. And Nigerians came up and, they are talking too much online, saying that Ghanaians also are into criminal acts. But the thing is that Ghanaians never told you that they don't have Ghanaian criminals. Nah, they did not tell you that one. The thing is that even the Ghanaians in your own country, Nigeria, tell me, are they doing the kind of crimes, like committing the kind of crimes that you Nigerians are doing in Ghana? Are they getting the freedom that you Nigerians are getting in Ghana? No, not at all. And if you have somebody like a Nigerian, I mean a Ghanaian living in Nigeria, that have something good to say about Nigeria, I would love to see that video, because every video of them I see online, I've never heard or seen somebody talking positive about Nigeria. We, the Nigerians, we do not have anything positive to say about our country as it is right now. Is it foreigners that will come and feel good in the country? No. As it is right now, Nigeria is not in good shape, and I won't lie to you, and there's nothing to hide about. Change is constant, just like I said. We pray and hope that Nigeria become good. That's our prayers, guys. But first of all, Nigerians have to accept the fact that things are not going well in their country before change will come. If not, this is how we're going to be suffering silently in our own country. And the thing is that we can't even stay in our country. Look at us moving around, going to people's country, and when we go there, we will not even live peacefully with the nationals. So tell me, how do you want this matter to settle? When you go to other people's country, do as they say. If they ask you to dance, dance as they ask you to dance, and everything will move smoothly. Because of course, I know that's exactly how you want foreigners when they come to Nigeria, they should behave. Guys, I've come to the end of my video. Now, Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.